Hey, what's up guys? I've got a MyFAK Pro and I'm gonna show you 3 things that you might not know that are even in here. These are commonly overlooked items and they will make or break your day in certain situations. So when you're out and about, there's no reason to suffer unnecessarily. And what I mean by that is the little things that are commonly overlooked inside your first aid kit. The medication mod. This has ibuprofen, acetaminophen, it's got allergy meds, all these common ailments that a lot of people forget that are already in their first aid kit. The relief and treatment mod. You've got sunscreen in here, you've got lip balm in here, things that you might forget. You get to the trail, I forgot my sunblock, you're covered. My lips are chapped, you're covered. These things are often overlooked. Another thing I see happen is people don't want to pull things out of their first aid kit. They're like, oh, I got to replace the whole thing or whatever. That's absolutely not true. It's very easy to hop on the website and just order this little packet here. You could just order the medication mod. Very cheap, very easily replaceable, and you just stuff them back in here and you're good to go for the next time you forget your chapstick. All right, guys, stay safe out there, stay alive.